Hello there, so this is Kashif Mahmood from KM Webverse with another tutorial video for you. In this video I will tell you how you can set up a domain redirect in Namecheap. So here I am under my Namecheap account. I have logged in my account and here I will scroll down and I will click on view all domains. Here I will scroll down and here you can see I have two domains. One is having hyphen between Kashif Mahmood and one is not having the hyphen, so I want to redirect this domain to this one. So I will click on this manage button to set up a redirect on this domain. So I will click on manage. Here you can scroll down and here you need to make sure that you have this Namecheap basic DNS option selected over here, because if it's any other like the web hosting DNS or custom DNS, then this will not work. So we will need to click on save and here you can see that it is updated and it says may take up to 48 hours to take effect, and once it is done we will see the redirect option. And here you can see redirect domain. So this option only shows when this is set to basic DNS, and if it's any other you can just change it just like I did. So if you see something like here, then you can just edit it. You can just enter your domain name over here just like I have entered mine, so that it is redirected to this one. That's not the only thing that you need to do. You will again need to click on add redirect and you can copy this again and you need to paste it again over here, and then you will have to write www. So that if someone types this thing in the browser, then they will be redirected to this one, and if someone types this thing with the www. then they should also be redirected to this one. And after that we will have to add another redirect, so just wait and do the same. And now we will have to click on this add wildcard redirect, so that if you have purchased an old domain or maybe you have some pages on this domain as well, so you will want the users to be redirected if they click on that page to this one as well. So for that we will also have to add a wildcard redirect, and now we can click on save all changes. So this can take a little bit time in order to take effect completely, so you maybe need to wait a little bit, like 5 to 10 minutes, and then you can test it. If it cause an issue, then you can clear your cookies and cache to try again. And if you still face an issue, do let me know in the comment section, or you can also contact the Namecheap live support for that. So that's it for the video. Like this video and leave a comment. Subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.